Hi everybody, my name is Jared LaRue and this is the Aftermarket Connection. In previous episodes, we went over what you can expect from our new show, as well as some highlights from a recent Polaris build that we did. But this week, we'll be going over a full audio overhaul that we did in a brand new Toyota 4Runner. At the heart of every audio system is the head unit, and the one that Toyota put in from factory wasn't exactly up to our customers' expectations. To fix that, we decided to install a Kenwood DMX 1037S, which is a 10-inch floating tablet-style screen flushed into the dash. That unit is complete with wireless CarPlay and has a much higher audio quality, which is really going to help bring out the rest of our system. When it comes to the speakers, our customer wanted to spare no expense, so after going over our options, we figured out the best fit for him was a pair of Morel hybrid 3-way speakers that we integrated into the front of the vehicle. In the doors, we fit the 6.5-inch woofer in the factory 6x9 location. In the dash, we replaced 3.5-inch full-range speaker with the 3-way mid-range driver, and in the A-Paler, we installed a flush mount pod to house the tweeter similar to other JBL systems offered by Toyota. Powering it all is a Museway M12 DSP amplifier with enough channels to individually amplify and tune each speaker that we installed to really make sure that we can dial in the sound in the vehicle and match it to what our customer listens to. Tied into the DSP is a Museway 600-watt amplifier powering the JL Stealth Box in the trunk, two key components to adding more bass to the vehicle. We chose the Stealth Box in particular because it comes pre-made from the JL factory in Florida and flushes into the back tire well instead of sitting in the trunk to save space back there and make sure that our customer can keep full utility of the trunk. To round out the whole system, we put Sound Shield sound deadening material in each door and the back trunk lid to really help keep out that road noise and keep the music in the vehicle to make sure that when you're listening to music, music is all you hear. That's all we have for this week, but if you want to see more of what we have to offer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and either check us out in store on the west side of Edmonton or online at certifiedradio.ca.